Today, I'm going to talk about an index fund from Vanguard called VFIAX, which is Vanguard's 500 index fund. It also has an ETF called VOO, VOO. It's a large blend fund. The expense ratio is about 0.04%. It has an average yield around 1.29%. Their share price is right now the share price is around $475 to $480. If you're getting this index fund through Vanguard, then there's an investment minimum which is around $3,000. Some employers have this index fund through their 401k or through their HSA plan as well. An overview about this index fund is that the inception date is November 13, 2000. As the industry's first index fund for individual investors, the 500 index fund is a low-cost way to gain diversified exposure to the US equity market. The fund offers exposure to 500 of the largest US companies, which span many different industries and account for about 3/4 of the US stock market's value. The key risk for the fund is the volatility that comes with its full exposure to the stock market. Because the 500 index fund is broadly diversified within the large capitalization market, it may be considered a core equity holding in a portfolio. The fund management is Vanguard Equity Index Group. Let's look at the performance and fees. The year to date is 10.54%, 1 year is 29.83%, 3 year is 11.44%, 5 years 15.01%, and 10 year is 12.92%. And if you look at historical prices for the last 10 years, in May 2014, the share price it was around $173.90. Right now, each share price is around $480. It has around 505 stocks in the fund. PE ratio is 25.3. And again, it's in the large blend. It's the investment style is large blend. It's right there. And the sector allocation consists of the most is in information technology right here, which is 29.8%. Then there we have communication services, consumer discretionary, consumer staples, energy, financials, healthcare, industrials, in materials, real estate, utilities. Some of the top holdings are Microsoft, Apple, Nvidia, Amazon, Facebook, Alphabet, Berkshire, Alphabet again, Eli Lilly, Broadcom. We'll look at one more page to see what's in the second page. We have Tesla, JP Morgan, United Health Group, Visa, ExxonMobil, MasterCard, Johnson Johnson, Home Depot, Procter & Gamble, Costco, and one more page. We have Merck, AMD, AbbVie, Salesforce, Chevron, Netflix, Adobe, Walmart, Bank of America, Accenture, etc. And you can come to Vanguard's website and look at the rest of the holdings, and it'll show you the market value, shares, and ticker symbol and everything like that. It does have a distribution which gives dividend quarterly, which is every 3 months. So March, June, September, and December. And you can use these dividends to reinvest in the fund to buy more shares. So Vanguard 500 Index Fund seeks to track the investment performance of the Standard and Poor 500 Index, which is the S&P 500 Index, an unmanaged benchmark representing U.S. large capitalization stocks. Using full replication, the portfolio holds all stocks in the same capitalization weighting as the index. The experience and stability of Vanguard's equity index group have permitted continuous refinement of techniques for reducing tracking error. The group uses proprietary software to implement trading decisions that accommodate cash flow and maintain close correlation with index characteristics. Vanguard's refined indexing process, combined with low management fees and efficient trading, has provided right tracking net of expenses. The website has fund literature, reports, and everything. And here again, this is regarding the fund VFIAX. Also, the ETF is called VOO. Thank you for your time. This is James again, and signing off.